Hi guys, it's Amanda. I have this angled funny because I did this yesterday, but then yesterday went crazy and I just didn't have time to do this. So I did cut it apart. The jewelry's still in the little packet. I did melt what I cut apart and it smells really good. The first experience that I had with Little Pony Wax Creations, it had a chemical undertone to almost every tart that I melted. So, and I've been practicing with this silver testing kit. Like I said, it's more for my own benefit, but it's nice to know. So I have no clue what's in here. Oh, it's a size 5 ring. That I know. So, I don't know. There's the ring. Let's see what it says. Iridescent petals form around a CZ in this oval-shaped opal flower ring set in 0.925 sterling silver, size 5. So, yep, it is a size 5. Oh, and there's dog hair, freaking dog hair everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna, oh, I shouldn't put that there. There we go. So I have the stone. See, I've been kind of playing with it. And then I have this. So this is the ring that I just got. We have to scratch. And one thing that I've kind of learned is that it doesn't ruin the ring. Like, I always was like, oh, well, if I test it, it's going to ruin it. But it really doesn't. So we're going to take this and we're going to put a drop. So then if it turns like a bright red, it's sterling silver. And there's other silvers too, or I'm sorry, 925. Again, I'm sorry about this angle, but so I've got the drop on the stone. This one you can't see because it's not. It didn't turn red. And then it almost leaves like a copper. What? Oh, on the bar. I just made it wider so I can see it on the stone. Yeah, it's not turning any colors, so this one may not be actual sterling silver. Yeah, it's kind of just staying this color. So it might be plated, and that's hard. And the reason I'm doing this is because it's like when you do, I'm going to back up so you can see my actual face. When you do jewelry in wax like that, you know, you want to make sure that you're sending out a good product. And you also want it to be unique, which is hard because there's only so many like jewelry companies that are legit. So, and you don't know until you know. And yeah, this one, it's not. It's just staying the color of the liquid. It's not turning anything. So, yep. So that's it. That is it for my video on ring testing and reveals. Maybe we'll have more in the future. I don't really know. I don't get a whole lot of jewelry in wax anymore, just for the simple fact that I have so much. But okay, well, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching if you watched my boring ass ring testing video. Hope you have a wonderful Friday.